Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to our channel. This is Kamsi Space. In Kamsi Space, we make videos on food recipes, vlogs and lifestyle. I will make our video from Lagos, Nigeria. So my viewers, today I want to share with you how I cook African breadfruit, Ukwa. Yeah, this Ukwa is one of the popular Igbo food, so it is well worth a good place on a list of food eaten by the people of Igbo, a very popular Nigerian ethnic group. So guys, I'm using dry Ukwa. My sister-in-law actually brought it for me, so I like cooking the dry one. So first, because it's dried, I'm going to soak it for 30 minutes. Wash and cook. Yeah, okra is more stronger than beets, so it takes like an hour before it gets done. So stick with me, let's cook together. So right, I'm going to wash it. So guys, I've soaked it for 30 minutes. So right now I'm going to wash it. Five times. But because it's dried, it will change the color a bit. But a bit to see after soaking it. Yeah guys, I'm done washing the African breadfruit. Now I'm going to cook it. Because it's dry, you have to put enough water. And make sure the water covers the okra. Yeah, after some time, I have to put onion. Let me check if it's getting soft. It's getting soft a bit. For it to make it till they're very soft, either you put potage or there's something they call ash from palm fronds. You know, when you burn it, the ash from it, you mix it in the water and sieve it. But I don't have all that, so I have to put onion. So onion will make it softer. Yeah, my people, the breadfruit is tender enough, so I have to add the ingredients. It doesn't need much ingredients, just onion, Ukwa has its own taste, natural taste. It doesn't require much ingredients. So I'm putting tomato. I slice the tomato, just small of it. Using black pepper. Then crayfish. I like putting enough crayfish. And the seasoning, salt taste. Lastly, the red oil. Then cover it, allow it for a few minutes before you start to turn it, because if I turn it right now, it will get burnt under the pot. So just allow it for some time. I'm turning it. Putting sweet corn. It's optional if you want. Allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. The African breadfruit is ready. I've already fried the fish. Just wanna make fish sauce. Have to put the fish. I'm using Titus fish. Cover it to simmer for a few minutes. I put small green pepper. Yeah, my people, the African breadfruit is ready. I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. Yeah, my people, I hope you like my video. Please, if you really love it, give it a thumbs up, comment, like and share. Now I am going to the dining table to do justice to this ukwa. Not only showing you how to cook it, but also showing you how to enjoy it. So let's go. Okay. Thank God to my sister-in-law who processed the ukwa and also dried it for me. Auntie Bibi, thank you. Oh, God bless you. You are the best. Don't worry, I will do you ma. You made your ma. Yes, this is my best food. If you want to get me paper, breadfruit, ukwa, and the acne, my people, I'm not a selfish person though. Come on, join me. The fish, I'm using the head part. I love it. She says, oh, now come. After eating, I'll go and sleep. You know, this kind of food, you try around home. Now, wrong. This is more raw. No? Very good dream. You see yourself driving limousine in a dream. Ukwa toka o. Yeah, bonne. Igbo food. This is Igbo food. They bring Igbo food. My kids say they don't understand. They don't want to join me to eat this. They want to just Indomie. It's very rich in protein. Let me not keep you watching me. I think you have watched me enough and you have tasted the food. I know you love it. If you really like our video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.